How to fix Roblox voice chat not working on Android. This tutorial walks you through the most effective fixes to get it working again. First, make sure your Roblox account is age verified. Voice chat is only available to verified users, so if your account hasn't been verified yet, that's likely the reason it's not working. From there, once you've confirmed your account is verified, check if Roblox has microphone permission on your device. After that, long press the Roblox icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this point, tap Permissions and make sure microphone is set to Allow. If it wasn't allowed, toggle it on and go back into the app to check if voice chat is working now. Following this, if the issue is still there, go back to App Info and tap on Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache to wipe any temporary files that could be interfering with the app. After that, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop. Then tap OK to confirm. This fully shuts down any background processes that may be causing the problem. From here, open the Play Store, search for Roblox, and install the update if one is available, since older versions can sometimes cause voice chat issues. Finally, once everything is done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device boots back up, open Roblox and check if voice chat is working properly. That's how you fix Roblox voice chat on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!